Welcome back to the PowerBase tutorial series. I am Josue Guillen with the Progressive Technology Project, and today we're looking at personal campaign pages. And that's the feature that PowerBase and CiviCRM have, where you can have your supporters create personalized pages so that they can help you raise money for your organization. In order to do that, first we have to create a contribution page. And once you've created that page, you need to go to the settings and enable personal campaign pages for that particular contribution page. You should require approval. If you put in an email address, you will be notified when someone is wanting to create a personal campaign page. We have a supporter profile. This is the information we want our supporter to put in when they are wanting to create a personal campaign page. And then allowing tell a friend, the maximum number of email addresses they can use with that mechanism, and then the title for the link for other people to be able to create these pages. The help link here is also useful in that it provides the URL for the creating the campaign pages. And so this we will look at through a browser where we're not logged in order to see what this looks like. But before we do that, we want to click Save so that they are enabled. You also want to examine your permissions and your settings in order to be able to offer your users the easiest workflow for creating these pages. The first is to look at how you create accounts on your system. And so giving visitors the ability to create accounts without admin approval and without requiring email verification will make it easiest for your users. When you finish a particular campaign, you might want to think about going back to letting only site administrators create accounts, but for personal campaign pages, this is the optimal setting. Additionally, you want to make sure that in the permissions that you have set up, that an authenticated user only has the permissions that anonymous users have. And so that way you can ensure that even if someone creates an account, that they are only able to see the things that you want them to see. If an authenticated user only has the same permissions as an anonymous user, then when they create an account for their personal campaign page, the only thing that they will be able to see is related to their personal campaign pages. You do that, and now your users can begin to create personal campaign pages.